So I am going to show you how I cook. I feel like there's a lot of people who are missing out on some really incredible experiences of dining and enjoying good food and savoring the taste and enjoying a meal that was made with love. And I'm telling you, there's a difference in cooking without heart and in cooking with love. There's a huge difference. I mean, let me just explain to you, like, when I cook, I am thinking about the people that are going to be eating what I prepare for them. So if I take a red onion, an organic red onion, like this red onion right here. Okay, now when I pull out an onion like this, it's got all this dry stuff all over it. You do not want even a hint of that to be in your food. It's going to be a tough, coarse, unchewable little morsel in there that ruins the experience. So you want to take your time to cut it where all that is left is sweet red onion. And the same with the mushrooms, and the same with the fresh garlic. You have organic garlic, okay? It is so good and healthy for you. Organic onions, organic mushrooms. There are so many things like that. Now, if you have allergies, you can switch it out. You can substitute. There are so many things that you can do in preparing food that will make it taste so much better. For instance, a lot of people will buy some kind of corn oil. Don't do that to yourself. Or worse, shortening. Use real butter or an oil like extra virgin olive oil, 100%, you want the original pressing, not the second, third, fourth generation. So make sure you check, and then because they'll squeeze that stuff, get all the oil out, then they'll take all the crap that's left over and squeeze it again and sell that. And the same with, like, you could do avocado oil. There's a lot of oils out there. But when you're cooking, you want to make sure that everything you prepare, like for instance, if you have a lean piece of beef, okay, that is beautiful. But look at the fat, look at the gristle. You can go in and cut some of those bigger veins of fat, the bigger veins of gristle. Now, you don't have to get rid of all the fat. Fat is good. It's not bad for you. Don't be afraid of fat. That was a big lie they told you. Fat is good, and it gives it flavor. So don't cut out all the fat. But if there's hard, gristly pieces, you want to get those out of there. And sometimes it takes a while. When I prepare a big pot of like beef stew, I will take probably 45 minutes just taking that big chunk of beef that I'm going to use for the beef stew. Now, I make a lot. I make enough so I can give some to my friends, neighbors, family. And so there's leftovers because it tastes so good you want leftovers. But I will spend a good 30, 40 minutes just cutting out every little bit of gristle, every hard piece, every ligament, every tendon. I don't want any of that in my food. I don't want someone to bite on a piece of meat and it's like chewy and it gets stuck between your teeth and all that. That is not cooking with love. And right now, I am really wanting people to experience how good it is when you cook with love. So if you are in the Austin area and you are hungry and you want a good meal, I am going to make you one, and I'll show you how to cook it too. So if you want to get a hold of me, you can Facebook me, Roy Stagg, or you can call me 512-568-5510, or text me or email me. But I will get back to you, and we'll set up a time when you can come, and I'll show you how to cook, and I will help you to experience something you probably never experienced before, and you will love it. All you need to do is let me know if you have any allergies or sensitivities to gluten or tree nuts, or maybe you have a food allergy of some kind. Let me know so we don't pick something that would be bad for you. All right? So I'll look forward to hearing from you, and we'll cook with love, okay? Have a good one.
Oh my goodness. This is absolutely amazing. I mean, I know that if I would have made more, I would have overeaten. It's just too good. I wish you were here to taste this. It is phenomenal. I mean, delicious, very nutritious, very good for you. Again, get a hold of me. I can either make arrangements to come meet you, we can meet somewhere, or we can do it here, but I'm really looking forward to cooking with love with you. Thanks a lot. Have a great and blessed day. Right now, my taste buds are doing a happy dance. This is too good. Oh.
Okay, so I hope you had fun and enjoyed this first installment. We're gonna have a lot more to come, and I just want to encourage you, until then, be your authentic self and try to be blissfully dissatisfied. Be super happy with who you are, but always be striving for that next best version of yourself. I love you guys. You have a great night or a great day wherever you're at in this world. I know I got people from all over the planet that have been contacting me, so I look forward to hearing from each one of you. But if you're here in the Austin area, I hope we can get together and cook with love.